Hello everyone, in After Effects I have created this 3D camera movement animation and I want to export it. And if you wonder how you can export things in After Effects, it's pretty simple. So first open After Effects and go up to File once you have finished with your project, and then go down to Export. From there you've got two options. The first one is add to Adobe Media Encoder queue or add to the render queue, which is inside After Effects. And what I do, it's always used add to render queue. So I'm gonna click on that and this will lead us to this render queue panel. From here, as you can see, we've got two compositions. In my case, I'm gonna use the first one. So in that case, we've got render settings. I'm gonna click on it, and from here you can select the quality. In this case is best, and I always use best. Also the resolution, it's full. Then once you are ready with the render settings, just click on OK. Then if we go down to output model, we can click on it, and from here this panel will pop up. From format, you can choose what format your video want to be exported as, and in this case I want to export it as 264, and then I'll click on OK as well. And then the last step is the output to, which means where to export the video. In this case, I'm gonna click on it and I'm just gonna select this port, and I'm not gonna change the name, and I'm just gonna click on open and save, and then I'm gonna click on render. And now this will start rendering the video. And here on the left top corner, it shows you how long it will take. In this case, it's not gonna take too long, only a few seconds to render it. Well, more than a few seconds. Let's see. There we go, and it's gonna make this noise when it's ready. And now let's go and see if the video was exported successfully. And boom, the video, it's over here. I'm gonna click on it and play it. And yes, it's been exported successfully. And just like that, people, you can export videos or whatever you like in After Effects. It's simple and easy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.